Good morning YouTube, it's Scott Dunnage Garage. How you doing today? In this video, we're going to start the facelift of the camper. Stay tuned. This week's video is brought to you by Outbound Trailer. You can find them at www.outboundtrailer.com in Hastings, Nebraska. Alright, thanks for sticking with us. In this video, yes, we are starting the facelift project on the camper. While it's not a bad looking camper, I think we can do better. So let's get this going. Alright, to strip off the decals on the camper, I am using plastic razor blades, something that was introduced to me from Outbound Trailer. Awesome little tool, love them. You can pick them up at your hardware stores. And then heat, but I'm being very careful not to use too much heat so I do not delaminate the siding of the camper. And then to get the remaining glue and just gunk off the camper, I'm using brake cleaner. Took a long time to do it, just tedious, but you gotta put in the prep work to get the results you want. Working with Outbound Trailer, I was able to give them some of the design ideas that I wanted. And this is what they incorporated for some of the rough ideas, and then from there we just kind of fine-tuned until we got what we wanted. Now we're going to head to Outbound Trailer in Hastings, Nebraska and have them do a test print. So we're going to finalize the design here, make any minor adjustments that we need to have done. Then we're going to print it on their laser printer. The like, subscribe, the QR code, and the logo, those are true to size, what's actually going to be on the camper. And then this is just a smaller rendering of what the sides and front and back of the camper are going to look like. This allowed us to sit down with Matt and the crew at Outbound and fine tune and make any minor adjustments that we want and make sure the colors were even good. Place later for Devo. So I did elect to remove and fix a few things on the camper. One of them is the cable pass-through, the other one is the propane pass-through. I'm not using cable TV in the camper, I'm not using the propane, so remove them. Also, we relocated some wires that were going to get pinched with the tires, so good to do before you wrap. Good morning. We are at the Outbound Trailer here in Hastings, Nebraska, getting the trailer wrapped. The crew here have been working really hard getting it done, and it is looking sharp. They got all the prep work done before I came in, and now getting the main part of the wrapping done. One of the neat things about Outbound Trailer, and it's the only company I know that does it, is when you order your camper, you get to talk to them and tell them what you want the wrap to look like on it, so it comes out looking the way you want it to match your needs, your desires, and what you want to do. So again, Outbound Trailer in Hastings, Nebraska, www.outboundtrailer.com. Right here where it's pressed in, it looks like it matches really nice. I'm going to duck out of here, let these guys finish up the work, make it look all pretty, and we'll see you at the reveal. These are some rough pictures after they got done wrapping, before we finished finalizing everything on it. When I went to pick it up, I did have a camera error and was not able to actually show you what it was like to pick up the camper. For that, I'm sorry, but the quality is amazing. If you're looking to have a race car or a camper or anything wrapped, consider giving Outbound Trailer a call. You can locate them at www.outboundtrailer.com, and they're located in Hastings, Nebraska. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. You have yourself a blessed day, and remember, life's an adventure. Go live it, and we'll see you in the next video.